Before you begin to assemble your table base kit, you need to first dry fit all pieces together to ensure a proper and clean fit. After dry fitting all your pieces to ensure a proper fit, you then want to use a foam brush or cotton swab to apply glue evenly inside the mortise and tenons. Once you have applied the glue evenly, you can now begin to join the mortise and tenon pieces together. After you have glued and inserted mortise and tenon pieces together, you can now begin to clamp. Use a long wood clamp to secure legs and apron pieces together. After securing the clamp, use 2.5-inch screws to attach the skirt to the leg in the pre-drilled pocket holes. After the joints of the legs and skirting have dried, join the two long skirting pieces to the legs simultaneously. Use the wood clamp to secure the structure. Before installing screws, check to ensure the frame is perfectly square. If the frame is square, install the 2.5-inch screws in the pre-drilled pocket holes attaching the apron to the legs. Install the wooden corner braces to the legs by sliding the brace over the pre-installed hanger bolt. Use the 1 1/4-inch screws to attach the brace to the leg through the pre-drilled holes. Place a washer over the hanger bolt and use your wrench to tighten the 1/2-inch nut over the washer. Your table base kit is now complete. To attach the top, center the apron under your table and use the pre-drilled pocket holes at the top of the apron to install the screws into your wooden top. After that, your table is ready for finishing.